Kublai pi bara session 4 ha kaneka video ko mata ngan wanra sepi yaki kubor lajam kibala chapo nokpo employment exchange nokpo job fair 2024 for various job deklapan mi ala kijong kipus bat kipus ba 8 mi kibun bha akatei kasngi Tia kini kipus bapia ban apply ka daya ki bal pendep ya ka kelas 12 ya baro kipus batia kini kipus pihapan tray aki company baper kelada pikwa ban tip company hak bade bat kini kipus tesno baha ban dapet ya kini ka video hadu ban akut nang bapin sing thu company hak bade bat kini kipus bat ya kiwiki jeng tenkam nomor baki don ki company papi yo bantrai bat le se kandai kano sip nakamta kejong pi ki nong watkam employment exchange nong po job fair 2024 the district employment exchange ribhoi is collaboration with MCC Shillong is organizing registration Mela Com job fair on the 17th of December 2024 for the job seeker in Ribhoi district. Job seeker are encouraged to attend along the necessary document on the day. Ka employment exchange nongpo job fair arjarap sau ka district employment exchange Ribhoi harengkat kejingai trilang buat ka MCC model career center Shillong bahkan sepenuh ya ka registration Mela Com job fair ka akan nyutrik Desember harajar arpsau na kamta kisam la watkam apo Ribhoi district bat ha ketika sengi akan nyutrik Desember kinong watkam kidai bandra lang ya ki ikot kisla badia kiwe ki jeng tenkam hakbayadai hakate kasngi temen tangine pe jakapus banikong kadai financial advisor and team lead company name kadai tata AIA number of post multiple kibun bahakipus hakate ka company ka age limit kadai rasa jerong ka salary kadai depend on role nang taka essential qualification ya kiba pendep ya ka kelas 12 papiya ban apply kapus baar customer care company name 247 AI number of post multiple ka age limit kadai khatpra adu license name ka salary kadai depend on role ka essential qualification kelas 12 pass kapus balai sale executive company name Randstad India number of post multiple the age limit khatpra sajrong salary depend on role essential qualification graduate kapus basau smart meter technician training company name Avirium Solution number of post multiple ke age limit khatpra sajrong salary depend on role nang taka essential qualification kelas 12 pass kapus basan advisor and team lead company name LIC of India number of post multiple ke age limit absence name sajrong salary depend on role ke essential qualification kelas 12 pass kapus bahandreu tech financial advisor company name Kotak Life number of post multiple ke age limit arpendus name sajrong salary depend on role ke qualification part kadai kelas 12 pass kapus bahnyau home sale officer channel sale officer geo digital sale specialist company name Reliance Geo number of post multiple ke age limit khatpra sajrong ka salary depend on role nang ta ka qualification kadai kelas 12 pass kapus bapra post name trainer, MIS expert, data analyst, company name, vision plus number of posts multiple ka age limit khat pra sajrong, salary depend on role, ka essential qualification graduate with relevant experience, ka post bakhandai, customer care, company name, the beginner number of posts multiple ka age limit khat pras name sajrong, salary depend on role, ka essential qualification web pass. Tiya kini post bapin apply pat ya bandra hakate gasngi bapilek kata kadai haka kan nyutrek disempar arajar apsau hakapor sipau baje men step kada pikwa banlek bat apply ya kini post tesalek hapo tesalek bat pidei ban ra ya ki dokumen jongpi hapo ka district library nongpo dikasong hakamon ke jongpi lapikwa anem banlek hakate kasngi nang taki dokumen bapi habanra hakate kasngi banikong multiple copies of update CV, one CV for each employment, baar original and one photograph of epic Aadhaar ka certificate, all academic marksheet and admit card class 10 onwards, birth certificate, training certificate if any. Tiya kini ki dokumen pidai bandra hak tegasngi bapilek te tang kini kicing pentip hak baidai bat kine ngin session 4 hakawai ka video keblai sibon.